Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 3S Aviary, and you are here to know about Lovebirds mutations. Therefore, we have made up a Lovebirds mutation guide so that it is easy to explore and understand the concept. In the wild, the natural color of Lovebirds is normally green. On the other hand, the blue color acts as the base color. Now you can use several types of techniques and can do several color mutations depending upon the color of the Lovebird, either green or blue. Understanding mutations is not difficult. Consider it as a family tree. Suppose you have blue and green Lovebirds for breeding. Now you can expect multiple outcomes. You can get green, blue, green pied, blue pied, blue American cinnamon, green American cinnamon. Remember, the base color of any breed has a significant effect regarding mutations. There is also an important thing involved in the mutations called factors. There are two types of factors called the dark factor and the light factor. The dark factor is responsible for darkening the color. So now if a blue Lovebird has one dark factor, then the resulting color will be medium blue, or if it will have two dark factors, then the end product will be slate color. It is also known as mauve color. Today my video topic is Parblue mutation. What is Parblue? They call it Parblue or yellow-face Lovebird, but why is it so famous and precious? What is its origin and how do you create this breed? The first time a Parblue mutation gene was discovered by an American breeder, Felix Del Valle, in 2001. With the passage of time, many Lovebird Parblue enthusiasts are arriving to import this type of Lovebirds. So the strain is increasingly widely known. In the years that followed, more and more breeders breed Lovebirds Parblue. Nevertheless, the number of commodities still cannot keep up with the huge market demand for this type of Lovebird. So in terms of price, Lovebird Parblue is still relatively stable. Lovebird Parblue, yellow face comes from the word partial blue, which means derived from partial genes. This strain is arguably the latest strain that has been successfully cultivated. On the side, the Lovebird is also commonly called Lovebird yellowface. This is because it refers to the cause the colors is not easily found in the market. Parblue gene mutation. The Lovebird Parblue mutation gene is created from the blue series gene that does not eliminate cytosine in its entirety, so there are yellow feathers on the head and face. Parblue genes are also formed from recessive genes commonly called blue possible Parblue. This means that the Parblue gene is not visually visible. It is clear that this type of gene is quite difficult to form. There is no visual difference between blue and blue possible Parblue, so the only way is by DNA testing. How to create Parblue in your breeding cage. Most of these genes lead to the type of Lovebird blue pied, so if you dare to experiment, may be able to print the type of Parblue. We can see from the following crossing genes. Blue pied x Parblue equals blue pied. Parblue x Parblue equals blue pied. That's why this bird is called the blue possible Parblue. But if you find there is blue pied x blue equals Parblue blue pied, that is called the blue possible Parblue that carries Parblue genes. Split Parblue. In the above section, we have told you that turquoise is a part of the blue, so we cannot say that they are different because they are still on a similar allele. The split Parblue patterns occur when we breed a turquoise Lovebird with a standard green Lovebird. When produced with a green Lovebird, the green Lovebird contains the expressive/dominant gene, so logically the offspring should be a green Lovebird. But it also consists of the copy of an allele from turquoise Lovebirds, which forms the split Parblue/turquoise pattern. If we breed a blue Lovebird with a Parblue Lovebird, the turquoise color will fade away. Possible split Parblue. Why is it called a possible split? Because we are not sure, the offspring will be Parblue or blue. It is obtained by breeding two Parblues. I know the expected family is Parblue, but they are not. Because we know from the cross pairings, the results can be in the form of blue Lovebirds. The resulting parrot can carry the turquoise gene, or it will be blue, it depends on the crossing. Split and possible split mutation. It is a complicated mutation type to talk about, but it is obvious that turquoise is a part of the Parblue and is the mutation of Parblue. It is mainly the mutation of blue series Lovebirds because it does not occur in the green series, and even in the Parblue, there are still some splashes of yellow on the feathers. So it is evident that turquoise/Parblue is a part of the blue and is the blue's mutation. There are three things we want to cover, and they are: split Parblue/turquoise, possible split Parblue/turquoise, broken Parblue/turquoise. We compiled these in the Lovebirds mutation guide because many people confuse them and do not know the differences. Friends, I am creating YouTube channel for promoting Lovebirds hobby and making informative video for Lovebirds fancier. So, It is requested to kindly subscribe my channel to help me for the purpose. Thank you for your support. See you in my next video about Lovebirds mutation.